For me, I English has been a bridge to many things, to to cultural differences, to language differences, of course, and such things. I I have a pen pal from Burma, and she doesn't understand Indonesian. I don't understand Burmese either, but we can get to know more about each other and respective countries through English, and I'm grateful for that. And also, English has opened a huge window of information named internet for me. I can find all sorts of entertainment and information there. Thank you.
Personally, I find English to be very important to myself because I have actually had the pleasure, thanks to my parents, to live overseas. And if I wasn't able to speak English, then I wouldn't have survived living overseas. I wouldn't be able to communicate with people in the classroom, which would be very hard, especially growing up. You know, teenagers tend to be more talkative, and being able to speak English also made me gain some confidence in myself. At school, I don't think I am the best at many subjects, but I am very happy to say that I am quite well in English, and you know, it was very important to me because it's given me advantages. Like today, I'm able to be here in this competition, and I wouldn't be here if I wasn't able to speak English. So I'm glad that English has given me opportunities that other people don't get.
Of our objectives are getting a job and getting a nice future and nice pay and everything. I think most of the jobs nowadays, even though more jobs maybe require us to have a high knowledge of IT, the general requirement for jobs are English. Yeah. So sorry, because of you need to use English for communicating and not IT language.
Whoa, oh, oh.
Wake up everyone. How can you sleep at a time like this unless the dreamer is the real you? Listen to your voice, the one that tells you to taste past the tip of your tongue. Leap in the net will appear. I don't wanna wait before the dream is over. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I know it. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine. mind.
Selamat datang di International Test Center. Kalau tadi sudah di lantai 15 itu adalah pusat tes kami. Sekarang di lantai 17 ini adalah kantor pusat kami. Di mana di sini kami merencanakan pengembangan dan mengedukasi Indonesia untuk mengenai penggunaan tes di sini. Jadi inilah ruang meeting. Jadi kalau orang-orang kerja mau meeting, ya ruang meetingnya seperti ini kurang lebih gitu, ya. Oke, saya enjoy. Oke. Sekarang saya mau sharing sedikit. Kalau ada nanti yang mau nanya, kalau ada yang mau ini langsung aja ya. Sekarang saya mau sharing sedikit. Kenapa ada NEC dan siapa yang ngadain? Gitu kan? Ya. Kalian pasti sudah tahu yang ngadain siapa sih? Gitu. ITC, International Test Center. Kenapa kami ngadain ini? Karena kami adalah perusahaan yang memang memiliki visi dan misi untuk menjadi kontributor dalam pengembangan kemampuan masyarakat Indonesia, masyarakat di negara kepulauan terbesar di dunia. Begitu. Dan kami ingin memberikan nilai tambah pada semua insan, manusia, warga negara, rakyat Indonesia. Seperti itu. Salah satunya adalah dengan peningkatan, yaitu kami memfokuskan adalah pada peningkatan keterampilan basic, yaitu Inggris dan komputer.
First one is that I felt surprised. Second one is that I felt happier. And the third one is that I felt that I'm richer.
And the second winner, do you also feel richer? my mother. Yeah, very beautiful and really kind daughter. Yeah, like I should say thank you very much, ma'am, and for all mothers here, even though maybe some of them cannot come here, but of course, deep down inside, we really are grateful for you being real support for us. And for these 2 days, of course, you have met some friends from other schools or from ITC. Is there any special moment, or what is the most special moment, the most memorable moment from these last 2 days? I guess the dinner time games with my friends, my Mary and that guy. I know the malam group, right? The one who plays. Oh my God, this is so I cannot find the words.
The most memorable, every moment is memorable to me, but last night I had a great time at the dinner. I think everyone did. And some of the girls and I stayed at one of their rooms and watched movies and stuff. We stayed a little late, but we had a great time.
The most memorable moment.
For me, the most memorable moment was last night, wasn't it? When we were having dinner and having conversation with you, crazy guys, and I felt like I have new connection and new experience in this whole competition, and we would really want to say thank you to the committees, the teachers, and of course Miss Nani. Thank you very much. So yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we have witnessed a proud moment for these students who won NEC 2013. We may see them standing proudly and receive the award for their hard work. But from the back, we can see this is not only the proud moment for them, but also for their teachers and parents. The teachers and parents are the silent heroes who won't take any credit for your success, yet they indeed have so much contribution in it. There is a time when we cry and we feel hopeless about ourselves, but not them. They always see our potentials, even if it is buried down under our pessimism. Their faith in us are like the stars to the sailors, who sees us from above and guide us towards the path of our dreams. Dear teachers and parents, the words have failed us. You'll never be able to find the right word to describe how grateful we are as you have come to our life. Later, we may leave and go for pursuing our dreams. But believe us when we say, you and your teaching about living life will always stay in our heart. Thank you very much, our beloved teachers and parents. Well now, before we close the event, there is one more surprise for you. Actually, it is also surprising for all the committee because in this
we don't only have the winner for the school, not only we also have the winners for students, we will have one more winner. This winner we call the winner for the most interesting performance. Yeah, so there is still hope for you all if you believe that yesterday you did a very good job in your speaking competitions and the adjudicators, the judges, were amazed by your performance. Then you will get this prize. Do you think you guys have the interesting performance? No? No, all of you are interesting, but we will choose the most interesting one. So, this is the most part. They were given this appreciation, this person, because of this person's initiative, confidence, and sharp arguments. So, ladies and gentlemen, the most interesting performance of NEC 2013 goes to Bayu from SMKN Satu. Please, for Bayu to come to the stage. As I told you before, he was chosen for her sharp arguments, for his initiative and creativity. So congratulations. And we would like to invite Mr. Syaiful Wahidiyah to present the prize. And do you want to know what the prize is? You can, yeah, this is a certificate for him. And one more. 3 million rupiah for the most interesting performance. Now, in NEC 2013, we have so many surprises. Now, the last surprise will be for you who are lucky. Under your chair, there will be something or an envelope taped in it. So check under your chair. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Show them your envelope. Number 1 is not open yet. Let's see what number 1 has in his hand. Congratulations! So our friend here, number 1, will get a congratulations, a special from me. Congratulations! So number 2, you can come here and open the envelope. Here comes the envelope. Here comes the envelope. Now you are about to get. You are about to get the answer, of course. Number 3. Please come here and we give applause for Abby for opening the envelope. Is that money? Oh no, it's just a paper. Congratulations for Tina, for Abby. You get 500,000 rupiah. Now, you said that Abby here got 500,000 rupiah, but actually not only Abby, but also Tevi